Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 5.4 of Chapter 5, Continuity and Differentiability, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 1. Exercise 5.4 has 10 differentiation problems built on the two new derivatives of this section, e to the x and log x, combined with the chain, product, and quotient rules. Here they are. Question 1. The exponential divided by sine x, a quotient of two functions we can now both differentiate. E to the x is its own derivative, which keeps the quotient rule clean. Quotient rule: derivative of the top times the bottom, minus the top times derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared. Factor e to the x from the numerator. Question 2. E raised to the inverse sine of x, exponential outside, inverse trig inside. The chain rule multiplies by the derivative of inverse sine. The exponential reproduces itself, times the derivative of inverse sine, 1 over root 1 minus x squared, as a single fraction. Question 3. E to the x cubed. One chain rule with the cubic inside. The exponential stays, times the derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared. Question 4. 3 layers. Sine of inverse tangent of e to the minus x. The chain rule walks through all three, innermost derivative last. Layer by layer, cosine of the whole inside, then 1 over 1 plus the square of e to the minus x, then the derivative of e to the minus x, which is minus e to the minus x. Collect into one fraction with e to the minus 2x in the denominator. Question 5. Logarithm of cosine of e to the x. Log, cosine, exponential nested in that order. Each layer contributes one factor, 1 over the inside from the log, minus sine of e to the x from the cosine, e to the x from the innermost layer. Sine over cosine is tangent. Question 6. A sum of 5 exponentials with powers of x from 1 to 5 in the exponents. Differentiate each term with its own chain rule. The inner powers give 1, 2x, 3x squared, 4x cubed, and 5x to the fourth. Each exponential reproduces itself times the derivative of its exponent, written with the coefficients in front. Question 7. A square root of an exponential of a square root, 3 layers with roots at both ends. Half over the outer root, the exponential itself, and half over root x. Chain rule through all 3 layers. E to the root x over its own square root is just the square root again, and the constants multiply to a quarter. Question 8. The logarithm of the logarithm, defined for x above 1, so the inner log is positive. 2 log layers, each contributing a reciprocal, 1 over the inner log from the outer layer, times 1 over x from the inner layer. Question 9. Cosine over logarithm, the quotient rule with a log in the denominator. Derivative of log x is 1 over x, which brings an x into the final denominator. Quotient rule: minus sine times log minus cosine times 1 over x over log squared. Multiply numerator and denominator by x to clear the inner fraction. Question 10, the last one. Cosine of a sum of a logarithm and an exponential. One chain rule: the inside differentiates term by term. Minus sine of the inside times the derivative of the inside, 1 over x plus e to the x. That completes all 10 questions of exercise 5.4. In the next video, we will take up exercise 5.5 on logarithmic differentiation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to Math Tutorials, and share it with your friends.